Making $70,000 can feel more secure than making $150,000. It's not about math, it's about choices. Income doesn't guarantee stability. What matters is how you manage it. Today, we'll share minimalist money rules that help you build real financial security at any income. Tired of watching your paycheck vanish? Subscribe and turn on notifications for simple money rules that help you build lasting financial security. Let's dive in. The illusion of income. Many assume a high salary equals wealth. But let's compare two lives. Marcus makes $155,000 a year. He leases a luxury SUV, lives downtown, and upgrades his phone every year. On social media, he looks successful, but he carries debt, has no emergency savings, and feels constant stress. Dana makes $72,000. She drives a paid-off sedan, keeps her phone until it breaks, and has built a $150,000 net worth with 6 months of savings. She enjoys peace of mind because her finances are stable. Marcus earns more, but Dana has more freedom because she follows minimalist rules that prevent lifestyle creep. Rule 1. Define your enough number. The most dangerous financial question is the one most people never answer. How much is enough? Without defining enough, the default answer becomes whatever I'm making plus a little more. That's the hedonic treadmill. Every raise gets absorbed by slightly nicer apartments, slightly better dinners, or slightly more expensive clothes. Here's the reality. About 36% of U.S. households earning over $250,000 report living paycheck to paycheck. That's staggering. These families earn in a month than many Americans earn in a year, yet they remain financially fragile. Minimalist rule. Write down the amount you need for a comfortable life. Add 20% for joy and travel. That's your enough number. Everything above it goes to savings, investments, or debt reduction. Rule 2. The second price tag. Every purchase has 2 price tags. The first is the sticker price. The second is invisible, the money that the item could have become if invested. Example. You upgrade your car, adding $400 a month to your payment. Price tag 1, $400 a month. Price tag 2, if invested in an index fund at 8% annual growth over 25 years, that $400 could grow to more than $350,000. You didn't just buy a car, you traded away $350,000 in future wealth. This rule isn't about guilt, it's about awareness. If you understand the true cost and still want the item, buy it, but don't buy blindly. Rule 3. The 72-hour firewall. Impulse spending is one of the biggest leaks in personal finance. And here's the truth, willpower alone won't save you. By midweek, after stress and fatigue, your willpower is depleted, making you vulnerable to one-click purchases. Minimalist rule. Add friction. For any non-essential purchase over $50, wait 72 hours before buying. You can research it, add it to your cart, but you cannot enter your credit card information. Why does this work? The dopamine rush of an impulse buy fades quickly. After 3 days, the urgency evaporates. Often, you'll forget the item entirely. Rule 4. The Identity Audit. Ask yourself, who am I buying for? Open your banking app and review your last 10 discretionary purchases. Would you still have bought them if no one else ever knew you owned them? Much of middle-class spending is signaling, buying luxury labels, premium trims, or trendy tech to show status. But research from Thomas Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door, revealed that most luxury car drivers aren't millionaires. They're high-income earners funding appearances with debt. Actual millionaires often drive modest cars and let their capital grow. Minimalist rule. Buy for utility or genuine joy, not for an audience. Spending to impress others limits your financial growth. Rule 5. Beware the Diderot Effect. Philosopher Diderot once received a luxurious scarlet robe. Suddenly, his old desk looked shabby, he replaced it. Then his rug looked wrong. Soon he had replaced his entire study and was in debt. This is the Diderot Effect. One upgrade triggers a spiral of upgrades. Buy a new TV, and suddenly the couch looks outdated. Buy a new house, and suddenly your furniture feels old. Minimalist rule. Before upgrading, ask, what else will this force me to buy? If a $1,000 couch requires a new rug, lamp, and coffee table, the real cost is $4,000. Spot the spiral before it begins. Rule 6. Track one metric, your savings rate. Budgeting apps often fail because they're too complex, miss a few transactions, and the system collapses. Minimalist finance simplifies everything into one metric, your savings rate. Formula: money saved plus money invested divided by gross income. If you make $5,000 a month and save or invest $1,000, your savings rate is 20%. That's your financial dashboard. Above 20%, you're building wealth. At 5%, you have a lifestyle leak. At 0%, your finances are at risk, no matter what your income. This single metric captures lifestyle creep, subscription bloat, and income growth. It's a 30-second monthly check that tells you if you're on track. Rule 7. Calculate your freedom horizon. Net worth is useful, but it doesn't measure freedom. If you have $300,000 in home equity but no cash, you're stuck. The real measure of stability is your freedom horizon. How long you could maintain your lifestyle if your income stopped today. For the median American, that number is about 2 weeks. That's not stability, it's survival on a tightrope. Minimalist rule: extend your freedom horizon. Start with 1 month of expenses in a separate savings account. Stretch to 3 months, then 6. At 6 months, financial stress drops dramatically. Marcus earns $155,000, but he has 11 days of freedom. Dana earns $72,000 but has 8 months of freedom. Dana is secure, Marcus is limited. Financial stability isn't luck, it's the result of consistent rules. Define enough before lifestyle inflation takes over. Calculate the second price tag on every major purchase. Use the 72-hour firewall to stop impulse buying. Audit your identity spending to avoid signaling traps. Recognize the Diderot Effect before it spirals. Track your savings rate as your key metric. Build your freedom horizon to reclaim peace of mind. You don't need to implement all of these today. Pick one rule and start today. I'm curious to hear from you. What is your current freedom horizon? What was your last Diderot Effect purchase? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.